How can you know if your muffler has been stolen? What are the effects on your car if your muffler gets stolen? And also, how can you fix the problems that come with a car that has a muffler that has been stolen? Today, we're going to be doing this video on this Toyota Axio, but the information I'm about to give you is going to apply to pretty much any make and model that you have. First of all, I should start by saying the muffler is actually called a catalytic converter, but I think because of just how complicated or how heavy that word is to be able to say, a lot of people just say muffler, and people are not really wrong when they say that it's a muffler, because that's actually the first stage in which the noises that come from your engine get muffled, or that noise is reduced by the catalytic converter, and then it goes back to the rest of your exhaust where it's further reduced. So you're not wrong in saying muffler. It's still a muffler, but it is actually called a catalytic converter. So the question then that we can ask is, why are these mufflers or these catalytic converters even being stolen? And basically that's because of the materials that are inside, like rhodium and palladium, which even in small quantities, like 28 grams, you can get up to $300 for, just small quantities like that. So they're very valuable materials that sit inside your catalytic converter. And that's why it makes it that, these thieves are willing to steal these things from your car. The outer shell itself is actually not very valuable. That's why you find that sometimes cars like these, when they arrive at the border, the exhaust will be removed through the hole on the exhaust that goes to the catalytic converter. The thieves will just break the materials that are inside, extract them, and then put your exhaust back. So sometimes even when you look at your exhaust, it just looks like a normal exhaust, but at the end of the day, the valuable metals that are inside that clean the system have been removed, and at the end of the day, that's as good as just having your muffler or your catalytic converter being stolen. So that's basically the reason why these things are being stolen on these cars. So basically what the muffler does in your system is that it cleans the exhaust gases that are coming out of your car. And for me, I like to think of it like the COVID masks that we got used to. It's basically cleaning whatever dirty air that is coming out of your exhaust, making sure that we're getting less of the toxic emissions out into the air and more of the inert gases like nitrogen, and also some water will come out of your exhaust if you've got a good working muffler or catalytic converter. So how can you know if your muffler has been stolen? The first thing that you can do is a quick physical inspection underneath the car. When you look at your exhaust system, you will be able to see if the muffler has been stolen. And normally when it gets stolen, the thieves will cut the catalytic converter out of the exhaust system and basically just put a straight pipe through the system, and that way you'll be able to know that your catalytic converter or your muffler has been stolen. So you only really know through a physical inspection. So now let's talk about the problems that come with a catalytic converter or a muffler that has been stolen. And the first thing that you're going to get is a check engine light on your car. Obviously, the catalytic converter or the muffler is a very important system on your car that controls emissions, but also helps to manage the fuel consumption of your car. So if it's stolen, it's obviously going to throw a check engine light, and when you plug it into the diagnosis machine, you will see those error codes. So the first thing that you're going to see as a problem is that check engine light. And that can cause a variety of issues. Like I said, it also helps with the fuel consumption of your car. So on some makes and models, if your catalytic converter is stolen, then you start to get things like high fuel consumption. On a lot of different cars, like the common Toyotas, like even this Axio, when your muffler is stolen, you're going to be able to turn off the check engine light using a diagnosis machine, and your car will pretty much run just fine. You will still get that higher fuel consumption, and that's mainly because when you remove the muffler, a lot of the exhaust gases escape much quicker than they would if the muffler was there. And what that causes is an increase in the performance of your car. You're actually going to see better throttle response, some improved power from your car. But that also comes with the trade-off of having to increase your fuel consumption. The other problem that you're going to notice is that your exhaust is going to sound louder than it is supposed to. When it comes to these small four-cylinder cars, even if the muffler or catalytic converter is removed, the sound actually doesn't change a bit too much, especially to the person who doesn't have a really keen ear towards the sound of a car. For myself, I can be able to tell that this car has a muffler that has been removed, but in most cases, it's not obnoxiously loud if you only remove the catalytic converter, because the back box that's on your exhaust actually does a very good job of still removing a lot of the noise that comes from your engine. So you will get an exhaust that is louder, but it won't be to a point where the car is completely undrivable. So when it comes to the things that you can do to be able to rectify the problems that come with having a muffler that has been stolen, unfortunately, the only way that you can fix them is replacing your muffler. And the sad part is that mufflers are very, very expensive, all the way from $1,000 up to $3,500, depending on what the make and model of your car is. So in most cases, people will just opt to either just put a pipe or a resonator that, kind of works to also keep the sound at a steady level, but it's pretty expensive for you to replace the muffler. So when your muffler is stolen, you can expect higher fuel consumption, slightly louder exhaust, and then you can get a check engine light, but obviously a check engine light will also be easily cleaned out. And yeah, you just have to live with those things, because replacing the muffler is a pretty expensive thing to do. So the last thing I want to talk about with you guys is pretty much like a bonus tip for your muffler. These things don't last forever. The life expectancy of a catalytic converter or a muffler that's running at peak efficiency is about 10 years. And in some cases, you find that yes, your car does have a muffler, but that muffler gets blocked because the muffler is a filter. And like any filter that runs on your car, eventually it will get to a point where it gets blocked, and you could actually be losing a lot of performance and have bad fuel consumption because you have a blocked catalytic converter or muffler. So it's always good to bring your car in and have it checked. We can have it checked here at our workshop, that's Z Gear HQ, which is Tunex Automotive. You can bring your car in. If your car has a muffler, we can be able to inspect it, make sure that it's not blocked, because there are some cars that have come in with performance issues where they're not getting power under acceleration and just a general drop in engine power. And you find that sometimes it's just because the muffler or the catalytic converter is blocked, and you either have to get it cleaned or you have to get it replaced. So that's just a bonus thing. Just because your car has a muffler doesn't mean that it's running at peak performance. It's a filter. So make sure that that filter is clean and it's able to flow air the way the manufacturer wants it to run. Great, that was just a video about your muffler, why it gets stolen, what happens when it gets stolen, and what are some of the things that you can do to sort out the issue if your muffler has been stolen. I hope you liked this video. If I left anything out, leave it in the comment section below. And of course, if you have problems like a check engine light with your muffler, bring it here to Z Gear HQ, which is Tunex Automotive. And if you want to purchase yourself a car like this one here, you can come through to Z Gear Classified, where we can give you a good deal not to miss. Until the next one, guys, take care and drive safe.